Okay, two-step mole conversion, example number 3. This time it says 4.96 times 10 to the 23rd formula units of calcium fluoride, and it wants to know grams of calcium fluoride. Now when I see this, I want to know grams of a compound. That means the first thing I need to know is what the molar mass of this is. So I need to know the molar mass of calcium fluoride. Well, we look at our periodic table and we find calcium, and its mass is 40.078. So 40.078 is the mass of calcium, and the mass of fluorine is 18.998. So fluorine is 18.998, and there are 2 fluorines. So I'm going to take 18.998, multiply by 2, and then add my calcium. So that tells me that I have 18.998 times 2. So that's my mass of fluorine, and I have to add 40.078, add the mass of calcium, so 78.074 grams per mole. That is the mass of calcium fluoride. Okay, now that I know that mass, I'm going to do exactly as I've done with the other 2 example problems. I'm going to go from formula units into grams. So I have to go from formula units, which are particles, first to moles. So I'm going to start with my number I'm given, 4.96 times 10 to the 23rd formula units of calcium fluoride. And since I have formula units of calcium fluoride on the top, I need to have formula units of calcium fluoride on the bottom so that they will cancel out. And I have to go to moles first, so I'm going to put moles of calcium fluoride on the top. Now for my conversion factors, 1 always goes with mole, so 1 mole, and formula units are particles, so that's 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd formula units. Okay, so my formula units of calcium fluoride cancel out. I now have moles, and the question wants grams, so I need to keep going. So if I have moles of calcium fluoride on the top, I need to have moles of calcium fluoride on the bottom so that they will cancel out, and I'm converting to grams of calcium fluoride. Again, 1 mole is equal to the molar mass, which we found out earlier is 78.074. So now my moles of calcium fluoride cancel. I'm left with grams of calcium fluoride, which is what the question asked for. So now I just plug it into my calculator, and I'm going to do 4.96 times 10 to the 23rd. Okay, that's my formula units. Multiply by 1, multiply by 78.074, so times 1 times 78.074 equals 3.87 times 10 to the 25th. Now I have to divide by what's on the bottom, so I divide by Avogadro's number. So divided by 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd equals 64.3. Now I started with 3 significant figures, so I need to have 3 significant figures. 64.3 is 3 significant figures. And there you go.